Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. This is going to be your stock watch list for the 12th of August, Monday. Let's go ahead and get right into it. First one up is ADPT. This one has a chance maybe to break up over this 42 spot. It's a recent IPO, ADPT. Keep an eye on this one either for intraday trading or possible swing trade in ADPT. Now, I did a previous video. Let's get ready for the week ahead. So if you want to check that video out, it has all your economic information coming up for the week ahead, earnings that will be coming out for the week ahead. So that's the Let's Get Ready for the Week Ahead video. Next one up for the week, for Monday I'll be watching, 2.5 million shares came into AMAG on Friday. Nice pop up right up to the 100 SMA here. High on Friday on this name was 1050, so maybe over that 1055 you might get a continuation move. Its sidekick stock PTN also was perking up a little bit on Friday, 1.2 million on this name, so keep an eye on that one. Also, AMD, will be watching this one now for some pullback. All right, see if we can get a pullback entry on this name. I don't want to chase it up. It's come from about $28 all the way up to about $35 on AMD. So, but keep it on watch. Definitely has momentum now. I'm sure a lot of folks will be watching for a pullback in this name. Maybe get a pullback back to about that 31 area on AMD. So keep it on watch. We'll have to see what kind of market we're going to be going into for the next few days. All right. So if the China trade talks and whatnot heat up even more, get a little uglier, we could get some nice pullbacks in a name like AMD for a possible entry. Another name I'll be watching, BDSI. Almost 2 million shares came into this name on Friday. A nice U-turn here. J-hook on BDSI. So this one will be on watch. Has that 450 number. You can see my chart is lined here, the daily chart. By the way, I also look at charts on different intraday time frames. So I don't want you to just think, that I look at stocks on a 5-minute and not other time frames, but I do. I don't normally point that out on the videos, but just wanted to let you know. But BDSI will be watching this one. Had some relative strength. CBLK, a relative strength on Friday. Over 3 million shares came into CBLK, carbon black software application stock. So we'll be watching this one. Maybe some pullbacks, red to green move. Then we get a turn up, or it might do a continuation move. We'll have to see. CTST, a strong close into Friday. Rumors around this one. Rumors circulating around this one. Might even be HEXO might be interested in CTST. HEXO was popping up on Friday, 7.5 million shares. So keep an eye on these couple of names here, CTST, HEXO. Don't forget, on the other video I talked about VFF, which has been very strong. That one has earnings coming out on Monday, and then we have Tilray has earnings coming up. So these pot names will be on watch. CYH was also popping on Friday, coming up to the 50 SMA on the daily chart, 2.6 million shares. Keep an eye on this one, maybe a continuation move. By the way, if you're watching this video, that's free. Hit that like button, subscribe button if you're new to the channel, help the channel to grow. Please hit that like button if you've been around, if this video is helping you. Hit the bell if you'd like to be notified by email when and if we do a video. But greatly appreciate the support of the channel. Another name we'll be watching, DPLO, if you like these bottoms up type of stocks. This thing has been decimated, but on Friday, 2.8 million shares came into this name. Has that round number $6 in it. I would say strictly for short-term trades if it wants to pop. FOMX started to get going here on Friday. Nice push up to the 100 SMA. We'll see if we get some kind of red to green move. 2.3 million shares came into FOMX, so keep this one on watch. For Monday and the next few days, could possibly pull back, and then you might get a better entry. Keep it on watch, though. Gurn was turning on Friday. 2.5 million shares coming into GERN, so keep this one on your watch. $1.40 area was the high, actually $1.42 on GERN. Could just be getting started here. Keep it on watch. Let's see, IFMK. This one with a big pop. Now it seems a little bit of a chase. We've come from $1 all the way up to 275, but maybe some pullbacks in this name. 1 million shares came into it on Friday. Keep it on watch. INWK, big move up, big volume. Believe this one got an upgrade on Friday. 2.9 million shares, if my memory serves me right. I think it was upgraded by Craig Hallam on this name. So we came up all the way up to the highs of 467. So keep that one on watch for the next few days at least. LK trying to turn the corner, get back over maybe this 27 area. The high on Friday, 2638. Now, this is a recent China IPO, kind of the Starbucks of China, they touted as. So keep it on watch. Once again, the high was 2638. So keep an eye on that. Once again, we don't know what kind of market we're going to be getting, so you might want to keep some inverses on watch too. TVIX, SDS, for intraday trading only, SPXU, TZA. As the markets move down, these instruments will move up. But during the day, you get some volatility in the market, so keep an eye on some of those items. Some other things, other stocks. MGI making a nice move through $3. We talked about that in previous videos. MGI, so making a move up, 2.3 million shares. LKSD, I don't really like this chart. It's beaten down and trying to turn the corner maybe. 2.1 million shares, not a favorite, but I'm just putting it out there if you want to watch it. MTCH was an earnings gapper. It's holding above the earnings gap here, holding above $80. Holding this 5 EMA, had strong earnings, popped up to $95. Keep that one on watch either for tomorrow or the next few days. NBRV. Looks like this one is shaping up nicely. Has that 250 breakout number up ahead on NBRV. 1.4 million shares came into the name on Friday, so keep it on your watch. OMI has been on a tear the last 3 days or so. Volume has been kind of decreasing here a little bit, so maybe we need a pullback in this name to get it going further. So OMI, keep it on watch. Overstock had earnings. Look at this big move up on Overstock. Another one that did that was Roku with a big pop. So keep these on watch. If there's any kind of weakness in the market going forward, maybe we get some nice pullback entries on those names. RLGY threatening maybe to take out this $6 area on RLGY. They recently had news with Amazon. I believe their earnings came out last week also. So this one is holding above the momentum moving averages, kind of flagging here. So keep it on watch. 4.9 million shares came into this name, RLGY. SIEN, also over 5 million shares on SIEN. One of these stocks trying to come up off the bottom here. Maybe it's gotten cheap enough. Shorts are starting to cover. And you notice we've been holding this $5 area on SIEN. Another name that had some good volume on Friday, big volume, right? The highest volume of the week came in on Friday. They pushed it up to TXMD, on TXMD up to the 100 SMA here. Now we've had a 3-stick move here this week that passed, so maybe a little bit of consolidation is in order on that one. XXII, a nice pop on big volume here, has that $2 number up ahead. XXII, keep it on watch, looks interesting. TTOO. Still has that $1.07 area to get through. There was a spike high back here on the 6th of August of $1.07. So if we can clear that, we might get some nice push up here. TTOO. They also had news last week on that name. Let's see if there's any others. Obviously, RKDA. We want to keep an eye on this, trying to get up above the $5 area on RKDA. We traded this a number of times on Friday. Was very nice to us on Friday. Would like to see a little bit of a pullback before we go up through 5, but definitely keep that one on watch. Pins holding up very well here. Pins trying to get up over the $34 area, consolidating here. Then it has $35 to break up through on pins. Snap has also been holding up. I don't know if there's rumors. I think there's rumors around this name. Needs to get up. I think the highs was a little bit over 17. Yeah, 17.19 on Friday on Snap. So keep this one on watch. Relative strength here. Maybe, I don't know, is Apple interested in them? Not sure, but we'll see. But Snap holding up well last week on their earnings, on those rumors for Snap. PRTK, another name that's had a nice run here, coming up to that new range of $5. You might want to keep this one on watch for the next few days. I think that's about it. Let me see if there's any other. Oh, ZM, Zoom, recent IPO, over this 96 and a quarter. Now, this one can be very spready intraday, so you might, definitely want to play this with light shares, maybe even a possible swing trade if you can get up over 9 and a quarter on Zoom video communications. And we'll leave it there. All right. So we don't know what kind of market we're going to get. So we might be looking at TVIX and some of the inverses. We may be looking for continuation moves in names like Match Group or LK. So we'll see how it goes on Monday. Now, not expecting a lot of volume Monday. We are in August trading, summertime trading. So we'll play it by ear for the first day as the market opens up from that Friday. Kind of a little bit of a weak session on Friday with the SPY. Talk about it more on the Let's Get Ready for the Week Ahead video, the previous video to this one. But the SPY basically right now, has the 50 SMA and the 10 SMA in the way, that 294 area, and bouncing off the 150 moving average here, the orange dotted line, and holding above 282. All right, so let's see what they want to throw at us for the week coming up. Hope everybody has a good day trading Monday, and we'll be back at it with another video Monday for Tuesday. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. Have a very good day trading tomorrow.